Guess what? I stumbled upon a hidden gem of a business involving AI that nobody seems to be talking about. And guess what else? It's something anyone can jump into from anywhere around the globe. It has the potential of earning up to $100 every single day. And the best part, all you need is your trusty phone and a nifty AI tool that magically transforms your words into cool custom videos. But wait, there is more. It's not just about this fantastic new business idea. You'll also uncover the secrets to crafting super popular TikTok videos without putting any effort. I mean, who doesn't want that, right? So, get ready to soak it all in because this video isn't just any video. It's a treasure trove of opportunities waiting for you. Okay, here's the scoop. It's all about TikTok automation. One day, I'm casually scrolling through TikTok when I stumble upon this account that's all about spiritual videos. Now, at first glance, it might seem pretty ordinary, but hold on to your hat because there's more to it than meets the eye. I'm telling you, I'm pretty darn sure this account is raking in hundreds of dollars every single day. How? Well, that's the mystery we're diving into shortly. But before we get to the good stuff, let's chat about Invideo AI, the tool that'll be our secret weapon for diving into this business and automating the whole video making process. Let's see what exactly this tool is. Create a YouTube short about the time travel and what could humankind achieve if it is possible.
Time travel is more than a figment of science fiction. Picture the boundless possibilities. A world where yesterday's lessons can directly influence tomorrow's outcomes.
Here's the magic of Invideo AI. It takes your basic idea and transforms it into awesome-looking video with just a simple prompt. But wait, add subtitles, crank up the music, and switch the voiceover to American female voice.
The pivotal moments that shaped our world. We could jump forward, see the triumphs and trials that await us.
Change is made, just like that. There's a whole world of possibilities waiting to be explored. And guess what? I've got your back on how to kickstart a TikTok automation business using this very tool. But before we jump into the business side, let's take a moment to grasp how everything clicks together. All right, to get your hands on Invideo AI, just click the first link in the description of this video. It'll whisk you away to a page where you can sign up for a free account. Once you're in the world of Invideo AI, you'll land on a user-friendly dashboard. The first thing that catches your eye? This neat little text box right here. This, my friend, is where the magic happens. For instance, create a 2-minute video about dogs, and bam, Invideo AI goes into action, plotting out the script, prepping the voiceover, and cooking up the video for you.
Ever wondered why dogs are known as man's best friend? It's a bond born from centuries of coexistence. Dogs, being one of the first animals to be domesticated.
Everything you've seen so far isn't too shabby. But truth be told, if we're aiming for top-notch professional videos, we need to level up our prompts. So let's try to do this like a professional. First, there's a drop-down menu where you can select different workflows. We will pick YouTube Short, which is fantastic for launching a TikTok channel without showing your face. I know it says YouTube Shorts, but it is the same as TikToks. Once you've selected that, a few extra boxes pop up. It's all about giving the AI more details. The secret sauce, the more specific, the better. I stumbled upon this awesome channel that's raking in views with their travel videos. This video has almost 2 million views. Now, I'm itching to create something similar using AI magic. So, I type in something like this. Create a 60 seconds YouTube short about the Bahamas paradise. Use captivating stock footage and blah, blah, blah. But you get the point. The more specific, the better. After prompt engineering, click Generate a Video button. Invideo AI opens more customization options based on your video type. You can choose whatever you want. Click Continue when you're satisfied, and Invideo AI starts its wizardry. After about a couple of minutes, the video is born.
Embark on a virtual journey through the Bahamas paradise. Discover Atlantis Paradise Island's luxury, Exuma's natural beauty, Nassau's vibrant culture, underwater wonders.
Look at that. The video turned out pretty good, right? But hey, what if you're watching and think, I'd like to tweak something? What I will do is click Edit option. This feature will give you detailed editing and complete customization options for your video. You can change scenes, script, upload your media, etc. After some time of editing, you can create video like this.
This is an invitation to dive into a world bursting with life, to run with it, move with it, to experience a place between dreams and reality. This is an...
So when you're all set in content, click Export to effortlessly save the video to your device. You can use this tool for free, but there's a catch. The video will be in low resolution and come with a watermark. Not the best, in my opinion. However, if you're serious about diving into video creation and starting a side hustle, I highly recommend considering an upgrade to a paid plan. Starting as low as $20 a month, you'll unlock a treasure trove of cool features. Now that we've got the hang of this tool, let's dive into the TikTok automation business, shall we? The burning question, how does this account rake in the cash? Well, here's the secret sauce. They promote affiliate products. Check out their bio, and you'll spot a link for their affiliate products, like travel gears. Some of these videos have hit millions of views and are still grabbing attention today. I mean, with that kind of buzz, they've got to be making money, right? Now, take a peek at their videos. They're pretty straightforward, but you can create far more engaging and better videos with the method I just showed you. But hey, fair warning, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a simple business idea with the potential to earn you some extra bucks on the side. It all kicks off with picking an affiliate product to promote, using websites like ClickBank or Digit Store. You can even promote Amazon products. Try to upload at least one video per day and grow your TikTok account. Once your accounts start growing, you will fast gain a lot of views, followers, and also money. Consistency is the name of the game when it comes to success with this business idea. Once you've hit the 1K followers milestone on TikTok, which isn't too hard, trust me, it's your golden ticket to add a link in your bio and start promoting those affiliate products. No matter the video type, whether it's for your TikTok automation venture or a YouTube channel, this formula remains the secret sauce. Ready to give it a shot yourself? Click on the first link in the description, sign up for a free Invideo AI account, and let the magic begin. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and drop a comment below to share your thoughts or any questions you might have. Your support means the world to us. See you in the next video.